All right, there we go.
As you're all aware, we've been dealing with this angry bird infestation in northern Wisconsin. To date, all negotiations have failed miserably. And King Dick Daddy Dog Angry Bird here is, we're gonna do some experiments on him. So, got to maintain photographical evidence of
Angry Bird got me this morning.
We're gonna run a little experiment. We're gonna see what one of these little dudes can do to so-called Angry Bird.
Got it zoomed. There you go.
I'm working on it right now. Oh, dude, it's got like macro on it.
Oh yeah. Good.
Hold on. All right, whenever you're ready. Now.
Are you gonna zoom back out?
I'm zooming back out right now.
That's how you teach an Angry Bird a lesson, bitches.